Hi there, angels. I wanted to review this product, Olay White Strawberry and Mint Body Wash. Really nice. It has a extremely lovely fragrance. As you can see, it has a nice strong clip-on tap where it snaps into place. So even if this were to fall, it's probably not going to just spill everywhere. It's a light color pink. The product itself is. It foams up lovely. The scent has a nice, gentle strawberry scent. I really don't notice too much of the mint myself, but the strawberry scent is really nice. I feel like it does a really good job conditioning my skin, and yeah, I would repurchase this product, and I would definitely recommend it to others. I'll look and see if I can find a link to this online. If I can, I will put it below. If you've ever used this product, let me know what you thought of it in the comments section. Were you a fan? Were you not? What did you like about it? What didn't you like about it? I like the scent. I like the conditioning aspects that it gives my skin. And yeah, it foams up really lovely. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching this review. Feel free to go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Feel free to subscribe. You can also click the bell if you would like to be notified when I post videos. And if you want to do me a favor, you can share this video. It helps my channel grow. Please share this video and have a great day. I'll see you in the next review. Bye-bye.